Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting day because we're unboxing the brand new PlayStation 5 2025 edition. Sony has made some amazing updates this year, and we'll check out everything from the sleek box design to the upgraded DualSense controller, cooling system, and next-gen features. The packaging looks premium with its white and blue metallic finish, showing off features like 8K support, 4K 120Hz, HDR, and lightning-fast SSD performance. Inside the box, we get the usual paperwork, HDMI and power cables, a redesigned stand, and the stunning new console itself. The 2025 PS5 is noticeably slimmer and lighter than the original model, with smoother curves and a beautiful matte texture. The vents have been repositioned for better cooling, and the system runs much quieter, even when Sony also upgraded the internal components. The new AMD chip and enhanced SSD deliver faster load times, improved performance, and smoother frame rates. You can really feel the difference when switching between games or navigating the menu. The DualSense controller looks and feels premium too, with better grip, more responsive triggers, and fine-tuned haptic feedback that makes every game feel more immersive. The LED light bar has a softer glow, and battery life has been slightly extended, which is a huge plus for long gaming sessions. Really impressive is how the 2025 edition supports better cooling and power efficiency. It consumes less energy while giving you higher performance. The console's software has been refined too, with smoother UI transitions, faster updates, and a customizable home screen that lets you arrange your favorite games and apps. Sony also added some cool personalization options like dynamic themes, background music, and improved voice command. When it comes to visuals, this PS5 pushes next-level realism. Games look sharper, colors pop more vividly with HDR, and ray tracing feels even more realistic on supported titles. Whether you're playing Spider-Man 2, GTA 6, or Horizon Forbidden West, the graphics and load times are jaw-dropping. Even the temperature control feels more stable during long sessions, which means no more overheating worries. Overall, the PlayStation 5 2025 edition is a refined, powerful, and stylish upgrade. It's built for gamers who want top performance and a smooth next-gen experience. If you're upgrading from the original PS5 or buying one for the first time, this version is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like,